My name is Andrew Torba. I'm the CEO of Gab AI, and today we're going to walk through the new Gab AI dashboard update. So, looking here, we have the main dashboard view, and you can enter in any prompt you want here. But first thing I want to do is sort of go through the different types of AI models that we have. The great thing about Gab AI is that we have all of the top AI models in the world right in one spot. So whether you're new to AI or if you've been using AI for the past couple of years, what you're going to learn is that there's a lot of models out there, and there's models that are coming out every week. There's a new model that's coming out, and so it becomes very difficult to juggle all of the different subscriptions and all the different tabs in your browser or apps on your phone to go back and forth between the different models to get what you're looking for and to test different responses from different models. So what Gab AI does is it brings all of the models in one dashboard, and we're constantly adding new models as they're released. So we'll go through the different types of models that we have first, starting with general use models. So these are general use large language models. They're used for text generation, summarization, coding, and other general tasks. The thing to keep in mind with general models is that they do not have access to real-time information, so they're not crawling the web. They won't know about breaking news stories, for example, but they're really good at general-based tasks like, writing or summarizing or coding, things like that. Now, the reasoning models are over here, and they sort of have this functionality that allows them to think through complex tasks and analyze data, identify patterns. So, these are for more, deep work or more complex decision making or complex tasks that you have for the AI. We have several different reasoning models here, and what's really cool about them is that you can actually see how they're thinking through, different tasks. So, if I say, write me a blog post about dogs, just as an example, what's going to happen here is you'll see it thinking, and if you click on this, you can look through and read through the thinking process as it's sort of thinking through this task and how to approach this task. And then once it's ready to go and it sort of has a plan, it will start outputting its response as well. So that is reasoning models. The final version of different models that we have are called research models. And obviously the number one research model in the world is Perplexity. So these are able to search the web and crawl news websites in real time. So for example, I can ask it about political news from this afternoon or from today, and it will crawl all the news articles from this morning and be able to actually cite those news articles as well down here. And you can click off if you want to view the source, and it'll also highlight in the response where it's getting that information. So that's a really powerful search engine type research model that we offer as well. So if we click here, we can regenerate our response. So say we don't like our response, we can get a different response. We can copy the response to our clipboard if we want to share it somewhere. And then you can download the response as a text file. And then we have a feedback button here. If you don't like the response, you can give us some feedback. Up in the top right-hand corner, you can create a new chat. You can pin this chat, which will pin the chat over on the left-hand side at the top of your chat history. And then this is the most important part, is the ability to switch back and forth between different models. So if we use this drop-down feature here, we can jump back and forth between all the top models, or we can view all the agents over here and select which agent we want. So that's a really great feature, because if you're using multiple AI platforms right now, you're paying for multiple subscriptions, you're jumping back and forth between multiple tabs, your chat history is all scattered across all of these services. We have all of your chat history in one spot from across all the models. We have one subscription price. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars a month, you pay one flat fee and you get access to all of the top models in the world. We also have an image generator. So if you click our image generation model, we can create a beautiful image of a couple at a sunset beach, and that'll generate for us in a few seconds. And we have all the top models in one spot. You can switch back and forth between them quickly. There's our beautiful image. So this is the ultimate AI productivity dashboard. It's your AI command center. You get all the top models in the world for one price. You get all your chat history in one spot. And you can switch back and forth between all the models instantly. This is the best AI platform for this type of thing in the world. And we're always adding new features. So stay tuned. This is just a brief overview of our new update. We know you're going to love it. And if you do love it, you can upgrade to Gab AI Plus, where you'll get faster response times. You'll get access to all the top agents in the world. And we'd love to have you join our growing community of people that are using AI to enhance their workflow and be more productive. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.